Everyone is fighting, everyone is trying to win, but no one is fighting the same battle. You've been given orders to take a defended ground with a limited force. The enemy has the advantage of internal lines alongside the defensive position, but the ground must be taken. Your commanders are both seasoned and junior, with a wide variety of expertise and skills. Unity of command means all forces working toward the same objective under a single plan. So what will you do? A bad plan. Everyone must commit forces, but with freedom to decide where and when they see fit. They know how to do their own jobs. Why should you, the commander, tell them how to do their job? When units act independently, even successful attacks can fail to support each other. The enemy defeats them one piece at a time. The opposing force is able to reallocate units to shore up the friction points, thereby overwhelming the attack and punishing those in engagement. Who is actually in charge of the fight? Without clear command, coordination becomes guesswork, and guesswork collapses under pressure. Command is about clarity, not rank. Each leader knows the milestones and their respective objective as part of the overall effort. They should also know the objective of the units to their left and right should they fail to achieve their own objective. They can intercept and support that effort. With a single commander directing the effort, every movement now supports the same goal. All actions now contribute to decision. Supporting attacks are no longer independent. They exist to enable the main effort. Unity of command turns multiple actions into a single, decisive blow. Unity of command does not mean no initiative. It means every initiative supports the same plan. At the end of the American War of Independence, the American and French forces coordinated under unified command, trapping the British in Yorktown, preventing their resupply and inevitable surrender. Different armies, one plan, one objective, and a decisive result. In the next briefing, we will look at security and how commanders prevent small threats from becoming fatal surprises. This has been Keith's Orders of Battle, Principles of War.